Today we are traveling more than 100 years into the past to explore a truly fascinating piece of colonial history, the British India 1/4 Anna coin featuring King Edward VII, dated 1907. This small copper coin may look simple at first glance, but behind its design lies a powerful story of empire, trade, and history. Even in good condition today, this rare collectible attracts attention from coin collectors around the world and can hold surprising value in the modern coin market. The 1/4 Anna coin was part of the currency system used in British India during the early 20th century. At that time, India was under British colonial rule, and coins were issued under the authority of the British monarch. The 1907 issue belongs to the reign of King Edward VII, who ruled the British Empire from 1901 until 1910 after the death of Queen Victoria. King Edward VII was the son of Queen Victoria and became Emperor of British India during his reign. His portrait appeared on many coins across the British Empire, including coins used in India, Canada, Australia, and Africa. The British India 1/4 Anna coin from 1907 is one of the historic pieces that still survives as a reminder of that colonial era. Now let us take a closer look at the design of this beautiful coin. On the front side of the coin, also called the obverse, we can see the portrait of King Edward VII facing right. Around the portrait appears the inscription Edward VII King and Emperor. This inscription reflected his role not only as King of Britain but also as Emperor of India. The portrait style used on the coin was designed with great detail and elegance, showing the royal appearance of Edward VII during the height of the British Empire. On the reverse side, the coin displays the denomination 1/4 Anna India, along with the year 1907. Decorative floral patterns surround the text, giving the coin a classic and artistic appearance. Even though the coin was small in size, the engravers included detailed artwork that still impresses collectors today. The coin was struck in copper, which was commonly used for low-denomination coins during that period. The weight of the coin was approximately 4.85 grams, and it had a round shape with smooth edges. Over time, many of these coins became worn because they were heavily used in everyday trade and transactions across British India. One interesting detail collectors always search for is the mint mark. British India coins were minted in different locations, and mint marks can affect rarity and value. Many 1907 1/4 Anna coins were produced at the Calcutta Mint, which usually had no mint mark. Some coins from other mints may feature small symbols below the date. Collectors carefully inspect these marks because certain mint varieties are harder to find and more valuable in today's market. Now let us talk about rarity and collector demand. The 1907 British India 1/4 Anna coin is over a century old, making it an important historical collectible. While millions of coins were originally minted, many were lost, damaged, or melted over the decades. Finding one today in good condition is becoming increasingly difficult. Collectors especially value coins with clear dates, visible details, and minimal corrosion. Since copper coins easily wear down and darken over time, coins that still preserve their original features are highly desired in the numismatic world. The value of this coin depends on several important factors. First is condition. A heavily worn coin may sell for only a few dollars, while a well-preserved example can command a much higher price. Second is rarity. Certain mint varieties or era coins can become extremely valuable. Third is collector demand. British India coins remain popular among collectors in India, Pakistan, the United Kingdom, and many other countries. So what is the market value of the 1907 British India 1/4 Anna coin in today's market? In good circulated condition, a normal 1907 1/4 Anna coin featuring King Edward VII is generally worth between $5 and $20. Coins with sharper details and less wear may reach $30 to $50. Extremely fine or uncirculated examples can sometimes sell for over $100 in auctions or online marketplaces. Rare mint varieties or era versions may achieve even higher prices depending on collector interest. Some professionally graded examples sold through major auction houses have attracted strong bidding from international collectors. If you own one of these coins, it is always a good idea to examine the condition carefully and check for any unusual mint marks or errors. A professional coin grading service can help determine authenticity and condition, which may increase buyer confidence and overall value. Another reason this coin is so special is its connection to history. This coin circulated during a period when India was experiencing major political and social changes. It was a time of growing nationalism, economic development, and increasing calls for independence from British rule. Every day people used coins like this in markets, shops, and villages across the Indian subcontinent more than 100 years ago. Imagine how many hands this small coin may have passed through. Merchants, travelers, farmers, and workers all used coins like the 1907 quarter anna in their daily lives. Each scratch and mark on the surface tells part of its long journey through history. For many collectors, holding an old coin is like holding a small piece of the past. That is why historical coins remain so fascinating. They connect us directly to another era and help us understand the world as it once was. Today, British India coins continue to grow in popularity. Collectors appreciate their historical importance, elegant designs, and affordable entry prices. The 1907 1/4 anna is often considered an excellent starting point for anyone interested in collecting colonial Indian coins. If you are planning to buy one, always purchase from trusted dealers or reputable online platforms. Be cautious of counterfeit coins because fake versions do exist in the collector market. Compare weight, size, and design details carefully before making a purchase. Proper storage is also important. Copper coins can develop corrosion if exposed to moisture or harsh conditions. Store your coin in a protective holder or coin capsule to preserve its condition for the future. As time passes, surviving examples of this coin may become even more valuable because fewer quality pieces remain available. Many collectors believe that historic British India coins will continue attracting strong interest for years to come. The British India 1/4 anna coin featuring King Edward VII dated 1907 is more than just an old piece of copper. It is a symbol of colonial history, royal power, and everyday life from over a century ago. Whether you are a beginner collector or an experienced numismatist, this coin represents a fascinating chapter in world history and remains a treasured collectible in today's market. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed learning about the 1907 British India 1/4 anna coin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing coin story. And don't forget to share in the comments if you own any old British India coins in your collection.